Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting in Settings to stop automatic hotspot sharing. First, tap Wi-Fi to confirm the phone is connected to a network, then back out to Personal Hotspot or Cellular. You need your device passcode and Apple ID available because some toggles can prompt authentication. Once you're in Personal Hotspot settings, don't toggle anything yet. Locate the Allow Others to Join and the Family Sharing or Automatically Allow options so you can change them deliberately in the next step. Now take action. Switch off Allow Others to Join so your iPhone won't advertise a joinable hotspot. Next, find Automatically Allow or the family sharing permission that lets trusted devices connect without asking, and disable it or remove specific devices. If you see devices listed under iCloud/family, tap each and revoke hotspot permission. Make sure to confirm any prompts. Changing these stops auto connections while keeping hotspot available if you manually. Once done, restart your iPhone to ensure the new settings take effect and clear cached connection states. Then on other devices, forget the iPhone's hotspot from their Wi-Fi lists so they won't auto-reconnect. If a device still connects automatically, sign out of iCloud on that device or remove it from family sharing. As a final troubleshooting step, reset network settings on your iPhone. It clears saved networks and often resolves persistent automatic hotspot behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.